Tired of doing science tests? What if we could see your awesome science skills in action? Let's explore the three ways to assess what you know in science.
For today's
First is
session, we will
process
be doing
based assessment.
the name of our experiment is the walking waters. For doing this experiment, we will be needing these materials: the water, tissue, plastic cup, and watercolor. And the instruction is, first you will pour some water in the plastic cups. You only need two plastic cups to pour the water, and this one you will put this in the center. And after that, after pouring the water, you need to
Process based assessment. It's all about the how of scientific inquiry. It measures the steps, strategies, and critical thinking skills learners use throughout an experiment, not just the final answer.
and after that, you will write your reflection or what is the result with your experiment. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Next is authentic based assessment. Authentic based assessment takes science learning beyond the textbook, evaluating students using tasks that mirror real world scientific challenges. Let's look at the walking water experiment. Next is product based assessment. focuses on tangible results of scientific work, the creations and compilations of the students produce. In science, this often takes the form of comprehensive portfolio. These approaches work together in science education. They often complement each other in forming a holistic assessment strategy. These are the approaches. The process-based assessment guides the scientific journey. The product-based assessment showcases the scientific achievement, and authentic-based assessment ensures real-world relevance in science. By moving beyond traditional science tests and embracing the process-based, product-based, and authentic-based assessment, we empower young scientists to internalize knowledge, develop critical skills, and truly understand their own scientific growth. These methods aren't just about grading, they're about fostering deeper scientific learning, critical thinking, and real world readiness.
What each activity was about. So our activity demonstrated how water can move or walk from one cup to another through a paper towel using a capillary action. We placed cups of water with different food colors and connected them with paper towels. Over time, the colors traveled upward to the paper towels and mixed in the empty cups, creating new colors. This showed how water can move through materials even without being poured.
So the experiment was colorful, fun, and visually appealing, which caught the students' attention easily. It clearly showed how water travels and mixes, helping learners understand capillary action in a simple way. The materials were easy to find and safe to use, making it suitable for classroom demonstration.
What was difficult or might not work smoothly. So we think that authentic assessment might not work smoothly during a class activity or an instruction because it needs to evaluate both the process and the product of an output. So authentic assessment also are challenging because they are time consuming for the teachers to create, implement, and to grade. So it also presents logistical problems as it is very complex and real-world tasks require significant class time and resources. And lastly, because these tasks are open-ended, maintaining fairness and consistency in grading that can be harder compared to traditional tests even when using rubrics or criteria.
We learned how each type plays an important role in students' learning. In our experiment about running water, we first experienced authentic assessment when the teacher gave students a real-world project to perform an actual experiment. So next is during the process assessment. So the teacher discussed the step and guide the students to conduct the experiment properly, to follow the instruction carefully and observe each step. Then last is the product assessment. So after completing the experiment, each student submit an observation essay as the final output required by the teacher. So through this RVJ presentation, we realized that these three types of assessments are connected and help students learn not just by listening, but by doing, reflecting, and applying knowledge in real situations.